It's fantastic that you're putting yourself out there by creating a dating profile. Whether your goal is to meet the love of your life or simply have some fun. However, have you ever considered what your profile actually says about you? Considering that it serves as the initial impression that you give to possible matches. Curious, but let's see what social media and dating professionals have to say about your photos on dating accounts. Since we only have two methods to express who we are, words and pictures, please share your thoughts in the space provided below. A brief summary of what people can say about you without using words is provided here. Your greatest attribute is your smile, which makes you appear more approachable and kind. A sincere smile can also put others at ease and increase their desire to learn more about you. Photos of you traveling or engaging in physical activities like hiking, skiing, kickboxing, or dancing demonstrate your enthusiasm for life and love of new experiences. They convey that you're entertaining and constantly searching for your next adventure. It can be highly alluring to prospective partners with comparable hobbies. Including a lovely dog or a cuddly cat in your profile demonstrates your responsibility and compassion, and it also serves as a wonderful discussion starter for other animal lovers. Pictures of you with family and friends can convey that you're social and cherish your relationships, and it also prevents others from assuming that you're overly preoccupied with your appearance, or that you just care about how other people see you. If you exclusively share selfies and pictures of yourself with loved ones, might help you come off as more real, likable, and trustworthy. Selecting 3 to 5 current pictures that capture your entire face and physique and highlight various facets of your personality is advised by professional dating and relationship coach Adele Keller. If your photographs are the cover, your dating profile's bio is like the synopsis. Keller also suggests avoiding the use of excessive facial or body-altering filters because they convey dishonesty and a lack of confidence. According to relationship coach Matthew Seymour, a well-written bio shows that someone has put thought into their profile and is serious about finding a meaningful connection. Because of this, they are more likely to put the same amount of effort into a relationship. The finest bios are brief, pleasant, and directly to the point in informal language. You don't have to include every element of your life or provide a long list of requirements. Might draw a more relaxed viewers. Humor is a fantastic approach to break the ice and make your profile memorable, since it demonstrates that you don't take yourself too seriously and are eager to have fun while creating significant connections. This is in contrast to more formal language, which may reflect a serious demeanor. Be truthful and sincere. Those that try too hard to appear cool or amazing turn off a lot of people. Don't overshare, however, the goal is simply to entice someone to flirt or send you a message. The dialogue in which you can learn more about one another says, expert Susan Treddy, a matchmaker to stand out from the crowd, stay away from cliches. Phrases like just ask imply that the person isn't truly committed to finding a match or providing enough information to start a meaningful conversation. Experts advise being specific about your hobbies and interests to give people a better sense of who you are. Generic statements like I like movies, music, and hanging out, or I live life to the fullest, are overused and don't really tell much about you. Keep it light. According to dating coach and relationship expert Sheena McRae, a positive tone is more likely to draw like-minded people who are searching for a happy connection. Avoid talking about how unlucky you've been in love or bringing up your ex. To encourage possible matches to get in touch, Dr. Jess Carbino suggests concluding your profile with a question or invitation. For instance, what is your favorite way to spend a rainy Sunday? Or how can I find the greatest coffee in town? What does your dating profile say about you? And more importantly, what do you want people to know? If you thought this video was helpful, please like, share, and comment. If you want to see more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.